are at the train tunnels, China Wall.
Today we're hiking to the top of Donner Peak. Awesome, I'm excited, it's gonna be fun.
Well, I'm very, very excited for today. This is number 2 on Donner Summit for me.
Left.
1, 2, Saxo represent.
Reno represent.
I got my shoes. Tiptoe. Let's do this. Today's pretty great. We're surprisingly the only ones out here. I don't know how that is, but we are. Well, this is turning out to be spectacular. There's, that's Donner Peak. Behind me is Ash. You can see her and everybody's going for the summit. Can't wait to show you the view. It was great. Definitely felt the calves burning, but it was a good exercise. We made it to the top. We're overlooking Donner Lake. It's a beautiful view. Pretty cold up here, but fantastic with great people.
Pop myself a cherry.
Ready to get back down before the sun goes down.
The storm is coming. Winter is coming. I love the snow. We had about 2 to 3 really bad seasons out here in the Sierra, and this year is just really making up for it. I've been up here numerous times the last few winters, and this is just, it's something else. Definitely come check it out.